SpaceX is changing space travel. Our goal is to make life multiplanetary. We are developing powerful and reusable rockets. Starship is our biggest project yet. Starship is designed to carry humans and cargo to Mars. It will also enable travel to other destinations in our solar system. Our ultimate goal is to create a self-sustaining city on Mars. This is essential for the future of humanity. SpaceX believes in making humanity a multi-planetary species. Starship is a crucial step towards achieving this ambitious goal. Starship V3 represents a significant leap forward in spacecraft design. It is bigger and more powerful than its predecessors. V3 will be capable of carrying more payload and traveling farther. One of the key improvements in V3 is its size. It is significantly larger than previous Starship prototypes. This allows for more fuel and cargo capacity. The larger size also provides more space for crew and life support systems. The design of V3 has also been refined for greater efficiency. Improvements have been made to the aerodynamic profile and thermal protection system. These changes will allow V3 to withstand the extreme conditions of spaceflight. Starship V3 will be powered by the next-generation Raptor 3 engines. These engines represent a significant leap forward in rocket technology, designed to push the boundaries of space exploration. These engines are more powerful and efficient than previous versions. They have been meticulously engineered to deliver higher thrust and better fuel efficiency, making them a game-changer for space missions. They are fueled by liquid methane and liquid oxygen. This combination is not only more environmentally friendly but also provides a higher energy output compared to traditional rocket fuels. This combination provides a high level of thrust, enabling the rocket to achieve greater speeds and altitudes. The Raptor 3 engines are designed to maximize the efficiency of this fuel mix, ensuring optimal performance during launch. V3 will also feature hot staging. This advanced technique is a key innovation that sets the Starship V3 apart from its predecessors. This is a complex engineering feat that improves performance. Hot staging involves igniting the engines of the upper stage, while the lower stage is still firing, a process that requires precise timing and coordination. In hot staging, the engines of the upper stage ignite while the lower stage is still firing. This method reduces the time between stage separations, allowing for a smoother and more efficient transition. This allows for a more efficient transfer of energy. By maintaining continuous thrust, the rocket can achieve higher velocities and more stable flight paths, which is crucial for reaching orbit and beyond. The combination of Raptor 3 engines and hot staging will give V3 unparalleled capabilities. This synergy will enable the Starship V3 to perform complex missions with greater reliability and efficiency. It will be able to reach orbit faster and carry heavier payloads. This makes the Starship V3 an ideal candidate for a wide range of missions, from satellite deployment to interplanetary exploration, pushing the frontiers of what is possible in space travel. Section 4: A giant leap in payload capacity. One of the most notable features of Starship V3 is its incredible payload capacity. This revolutionary rocket is designed to carry an unprecedented amount of cargo, making it a true marvel of modern engineering. It will be able to transport over 100 metric tons to low Earth orbit. This means that it can carry more than twice the payload of its predecessors, setting a new standard in the aerospace industry. This is a game-changer for space exploration. With such a massive payload capacity, we can now send more equipment, supplies, and even people into space, paving the way for more ambitious missions. The increased payload capacity has significant implications for various missions. For instance, it can support more extensive scientific experiments, larger space habitats, and more complex space stations. It will allow for larger and more sophisticated satellites to be deployed. These advanced satellites can enhance our communication networks, improve weather forecasting, and provide better Earth observation capabilities. It also opens up new possibilities for space tourism and research. Imagine a future where space travel is as common as air travel, with tourists experiencing the wonders of zero gravity and researchers conducting groundbreaking experiments in space. V3's payload capacity is particularly important for SpaceX's Starlink project. This ambitious initiative aims to create a global network of satellites to provide high-speed internet access to even the most remote corners of the world. Starlink aims to provide global internet coverage using a constellation of satellites. With the enhanced payload capacity of Starship V3, SpaceX can deploy more satellites in a single launch, accelerating the project's timeline and expanding its reach. V3 will be able to deploy a large number of Starlink satellites in a single launch. This efficiency not only reduces costs, but also minimizes the environmental impact of multiple launches. making space exploration more sustainable. Section 5. Towards a high launch cadence, making spaceflight routine. SpaceX aims to achieve a high launch cadence with Starship V3. This means launching multiple Starships per week. Such a rapid launch rate would revolutionize space travel. To achieve this, SpaceX is focusing on reusability and streamlined production. Starship is designed to be fully reusable, with both the booster and spacecraft capable of landing back on Earth. This significantly reduces the cost of spaceflight. SpaceX is also optimizing its production process to build Starships at a faster rate. The company is using advanced manufacturing techniques and a highly skilled workforce. Section 6. The future with Starship V3, from Earth orbit to Mars and beyond. Starship V3 has the potential to transform space travel. This revolutionary spacecraft is designed to carry both crew and cargo to a variety of destinations, making space more accessible than ever before. Its capabilities extend far beyond Earth orbit. With advanced propulsion systems and cutting-edge technology, Starship V3 is poised to explore the far reaches of our solar system. It will enable missions to the Moon, Mars, and even beyond. Imagine a future where humans can travel to distant planets and moons, expanding our presence in the cosmos. NASA has selected Starship as the landing system for its Artemis program. This collaboration marks a significant milestone in space exploration, combining NASA's expertise with SpaceX's innovative technology. This program aims to return humans to the Moon by 2025. The Artemis program is not just about visiting the Moon, it's about establishing a sustainable presence there. Starship will play a crucial role in transporting astronauts to the lunar surface. Its spacious interior and advanced life support systems make it ideal for long-duration missions on the Moon. Looking further ahead, Starship is being designed with Mars in mind. The red planet represents the next giant leap for humanity, and Starship is the vehicle that will take us there. Its large payload capacity and ability to be refueled in space make it ideal for long-duration missions. This capability is crucial for missions to Mars, where resupply opportunities are limited. SpaceX envisions using Starship to establish a permanent human presence on Mars. This vision includes building habitats, growing food, and creating a self-sustaining colony that can thrive on the Martian surface. The journey to Mars will be challenging, but Starship's innovative design and capabilities make it possible. With each mission, we will learn more and get closer to making Mars a second home for humanity. From Earth orbit to Mars and beyond, Starship V3 is set to revolutionize space travel. The future of space exploration is bright, and with Starship, the possibilities are truly limitless. Section 7. A new era of space exploration. Starship V3 represents a new era of space exploration. Its development is a testament to human ingenuity and our desire to push the boundaries of what is possible. With its unprecedented capabilities, Starship has the potential to unlock new scientific discoveries, advance our understanding of the universe, and inspire future generations. SpaceX is committed to making space travel more accessible and affordable. Starship V3 is a major step towards achieving this goal. The future of space exploration is bright, and Starship is leading the way.